This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power and confirming the exhaust fan is dead. Safety first. Once done, measure the grill diameter, depth, and screw position so the net fits snugly. Pick a fine 1 mm mesh to stop most insects and decide whether you'll attach a lightweight frame, adhesive magnetic strip, or hook and loop tape. These choices affect airflow and cleaning, so make them deliberately. Good fit preserves performance while keeping pests out. You now construct the support. Cut the mesh about 1 to 2 cm over size so you have overlap for fastening. Mount it on a lightweight plastic or thin wood frame, or stick magnetic tape to the mesh edge if your grill is metal. Pull the mesh taut to prevent sag that reduces airflow. Once built, test fit the assembly against the grill, keeping 0 to 1 centimeter clearance from the fan blades. This avoids contact while preserving ventilation. You finish by fastening the netted frame using the original screws, quick clips, or 3M interior adhesive. Choose the option that won't deform the grill. Then seal any perimeter gaps with thin foam tape or a bead of silicone to keep insects out and maintain a clean edge. After reapplying power, check airflow and listen for added noise. If you notice vibration or diminished airflow, loosen the frame, increase clearance, or switch to a slightly coarser mesh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.